Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're ready, unlock your Vivo and confirm which browser you'll clear, the stock browser app or Chrome. Once done, open that app and locate the main menu, 3 dots or the more icon at the bottom. Tap it, then choose Settings. Make sure you're in the browser's own settings rather than system settings. This step ensures you remove in-app records instead of unrelated data. Now move into Privacy or History to start selecting what to remove. Inside Privacy or Clear Browsing Data, you'll see checkboxes and a time range selector. First pick a range, all time to delete everything, or a shorter period if you want limited removal. Next, tick the items to delete, browsing history for URLs, cookies for site logins, and cached images to free space. Make sure you don't unintentionally remove saved passwords unless you want to. Once the correct boxes are checked, tap Clear Data or Delete. After you tap Clear Data, wait for the confirmation message. Don't close the app mid-process. Once finished, close and relaunch the browser, then open History to confirm entries are gone. If you still see items, make sure you weren't signed into a synced account. Signed data can repopulate. If that's the issue, sign out, then clear browsing data again, or go to Settings Apps Browser Storage and clear app storage. That final step removes persistent data. Restart the phone if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.